Good morning, dear students. Today topic is isothermal process. A process in which the temperature of the system is kept constant throughout is called isothermal process. So in isothermal process, temperature of the system is constant. For example, the expansion of a gas in a metallic chamber placed on a large reservoir of a fixed temperature. See second example, conversion of water into steam at boiling point of water. Here water is converted into steam at boiling point of water. In this process, temperature is constant. So this process is known as isothermal process. Expression for work done by ideal gas in isothermal process. By ideal gas in isothermal process. We know ideal gas equation is PV is equal mu RT. Let us take this is first equation. During isothermal process, temperature is constant, that is T is constant. So here mu is constant, R is constant. So in isothermal process, temperature is constant. So we can write PV is equal constant. We know this is a Boyle's law. during isothermal expansion, so here it is a expansions, means what? In isothermal expansion, volume is increases, so here pressure is inversely proportional to volume. So if volume is increases means what? Pressure is decreases. So here pressure is decreases. During isothermal compression, volume, here it is compression, means what? Volume is decreases, pressure is increases. Suppose an ideal gas goes isothermally from its initial state P1 V1 to final state P2 V2. At any intermediate stage, with pressure P and volume change from V to V plus del V. Here del V is very small. So therefore work done del W is equal P into del V. Taking del V tends to 0 and summing the quantity del W over the entire process. That is work done in isothermal process W is equal integration of V1 to V2 P dV. Let us take, this is second equation. From equation 1, we can write P is equal mu RT by V. Substitute this value in this equation, we can get W is equal integration of V1 to V2. Here P is equal mu RT by V. Mu RT by V into dV. Here mu RT is constant. Take outside. So mu RT integration V1 to V2 1 by V dV. We know integration of 1 by x dx is equal log x. So here integration of 1 by v dv is equal log v. So that is mu rt log v. Here lower limit is v1, upper limit is v2. v1 to v2. First substitute upper value minus lower value. So that is mu RT log, here upper limit is V2, that is V2 log V2 minus log V1. Therefore, W is equal work done by an ideal gas in isothermal process. W is equal mu RT, here log A minus log B is equal log A by B, that is log V2 by V1. So this is known as work done in isothermal process. W is equal mu RT log V2 by V1. See here, first one, for an ideal gas, internal energy depends only on temperature. But in isothermal process, temperature is constant. Here T is constant. From this, internal energy is also constant, that is U is constant. So from this we can write change in internal energy, that is del U is equal 0. By first law of thermodynamics, we know del Q is equal del U plus del W. So in isothermal process, del U is equal to 0. So that is del Q is equal here 0 plus del W, that is del W. So heat supplied to the gas is equal to work done by the gas. So in isothermal process, heat supplied to the gas is equal to work done by the gas. See the second one. During isothermal compression, so here it is isothermal compression. Compression means what? Final value is decreases. So that is V2 is less than V1. That is log V2 by V1 is negative. That is work done is negative. So that is work is done on the system. We know del Q is equal del W. So here W is negative. From this del Q is also negative. That is heat is released. During isothermal expansion, so here it is expansion, that is final volume is greater than initial volume. So that is we can write V2 is greater than V1. So from this log V2 by V1 is positive. Hence work done is positive. That is W is positive. We know del Q is equal to del W. So here W is positive means what? Del W is also positive. That is del Q is also positive. So here heat is observed. That is heat is observed.